How do everybody? How are you all doing? Right, today I am going to be, well I am, but I'm not going to be doing the welding. I'm cutting the box down under the seat because I'm just too high. Yes, it's quite a simple procedure really. Well, very posh, isn't it? I'll just show you. How do? How do? How do? Hey, hey. As I say, it's simple really. To get the seats off, there, you need an Allen key. There's 4 of them, and your seat just comes out. Simple as that. Right, when you get onto the box, this is mine. I need at least 2 centimeters off. Yeah, basically, a lot of people will be able to get down there anyway, but I made this device foot job. Anyway, remove that, and it's a simple case then of these nuts under there. And then, look, there's 4 of them. Right, now the problem I have is the handbrake, well, or the oil will probably. What I was going to do, I'm going to cut from the bottom up, do away with all this and everything, and just put some angle iron in, and then just drill some holes for the bolts there. Well, it isn't going to work out that way because of this. If this had been bolted to the side, it wouldn't have been a problem, but it didn't, so it is. So what I'm going to have to do is cut down to about there, all the way around, cut off what I want, and I've got a friend a friend of mine, he's going to weld it back on. So it's a case of just get it, like I say, undo the 4 bolts, and that's it. It's pointless with filming that, in it, you know, just undoing bolts. Well, that's the problem I had, that, which, in fact, while I'm in there and all, I might as well try and fix the handbrake light. Right, so I shall get on with that. Right, box is off. What I'm going to have to do now is measure 2 centimeters. Well, I think I'll cut it there, but I don't know that. It's what's best going to match up in it. I don't think it really matters, does it? The only problem I foresee is there's a bit of a, what do they call it, a chamfer, when it leans. See it? Now whether that's going to cause a problem, I'd have to bang it in so it'll join up anyway. Right, so yeah, I'm going to cut what, 2.5 centimeters there. Yeah, I'm going to cut it along there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some masking tape around and mark it all out. Right, it's just a case now. I'll cut that and then measure from the top. Then I think I'm going to go 3 centimeters. Whew. What bloody hard work. Right. After cutting that off there, I think it's 5 centimeters. A balanced seat on it. It was still, well, not still too high, it was too low. So this is six. So I think 4 will be enough. plenty. Yeah, I reckon 4. Well, got the box back. It's a bit rough like, but I did tell him, I said look, we're making it perfect, I said, because then we're going to be covering it in carpet. So that's what I'm on with today. I'm going to cover the carpet and get it back in. Let's hope I haven't done it too low. Right, here we go then. Right, great, isn't it? The back end looks better than the front. Right, like I say, no matter about this mess on top. Yeah. Okay, once it's in. Right, let's get her in. It's in. The floor's back in. My little compartment and everything. Right, so I'm going to take it for a test drive shortly. Nipping on to Asda, so we'll see how it goes. It does feel a bit better. And at least I can see how to wind it out. That's what my head were hitting this. I were actually in line with that. Well, or above it. So I had to like bend down to yeah, to drive, to see. Yeah. Oh, stickers. I will do stickers. We've got some new ones. We don't have the big ones anymore. They're just the, I don't know how big they are, to be honest with you. That big. Yeah, but they're just a sticker. You know, apparently waterproof, so we'll see. If anybody wants a sticker, go to the description below. You'll find my email address. All I ask for is postage, 70p. I'll stand the cost of the stickers. They're just a bit of fun sticker, that's all. Right, thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't, do.